coming. We're a bit early, but we'll get started. To our 2017 Fall Symposium. We're very excited about this midway point on the marathon that will end in April of next year. So I welcome you all, and we're very excited to present our 17 projects, which have been sponsored by 15 companies this year. And it's been a great pleasure, and we're very grateful for your support and your generous sponsorship funds to be able to run this program. So that's very, very critical. As you can gather from the back of the program, the Wheatstone Bridge is a very key measurement technique in electrical engineering. So if you know two fixed resistors and you have a variable resistor, you can get the value of the fourth resistor very accurately by measuring the voltage, which should be 0 in the bridge. So this is what the Capstone Bridge is all about. The Capstone Bridge is the program that I help run and all the facets of the program. I won't go into the details of that. The other fixed parameter is the companies and the sponsors and the ideas they bring to the program, the technical directors. And then we have the variable resistor, the variable arm, who are the electrical and computer engineers who have various skills that they apply to these projects. And when all three of these aspects are in perfect harmony and work together with each other, then, eureka, we have the best outcome that the sponsoring company would like from that project. And that's what we are trying to get to, the best outcome, which is important to the company, has implications for the company's bottom line in more than one way, and has implications for the industry. So during the presentations you'll see today, all groups are going to discuss that aspect of implications of that project for the company and for the industry. That's a very key motivating factor for our students. So it's a great win-win situation for our students and for our sponsors. It's a great way to prepare our seniors for the real world, to tackle a real world problem, and to show that they can achieve what industry desires in the end. So, I'd like to invite all my ELECOMP Capstone designers to join me and give a really big hand of applause to all our sponsors and to the technical directors. Come on, team, let's do it. So the technical directors, the subject matter experts that we have from the sponsoring companies are a very important component of this program. Without their dedication, without their input, without their mentoring, without their challenges, holding the team to deadlines, it would not be possible for our seniors to accomplish what they're going to present to you today and what they hope to accomplish by April of next year. So again, my sincere and heartfelt thanks to all technical directors who are on board this year. We have 28 technical directors, and it so happens that 14 of the technical directors are graduates of our department. So that's really a big, big thing. We have maybe about 12 or so new potential sponsors of projects next year. And they are here as judges. So they're here to judge the teams presenting on 4 different metrics. And I'm going to average all the scores. We're going to try to pick up the top 5 teams at about 2 o'clock. And also it counts towards 10% of their grade. So So this is something new that I've instituted this year, is for the teams and the members to really convince an outsider, a company engineer, what this project's all about, and to be able to explain it during the slide presentation, and also at the poster session, what that project's all about. So it's a great experience for them really to be serious about, what's going to happen today. I'm extremely proud of what all the teams have accomplished. We've done a lot of practicing to be able to give you all a very polished presentation. Hopefully we go as we have done on Tuesday evening. And we welcome your feedback in whatever way you can give us today or in writing later on. And I really want to thank the judges who are judging these presentations and the day's program. Thank you for volunteering to come over and to be able to help us evaluate these projects. And the effort that's been put in by our seniors is excellent. In the 11 weeks that we've had this semester, we have an average across all 53 students of about 150 hours per student. So we put in about 8,000 hours worth of work during the 11 weeks that we've been working on. That works out to be about roughly 14 hours per student per week, which is about what I would expect. The 150 is the average across all 53 students, but I'd like to single out 2 individuals who put in more than 300 hours of work during the 11 weeks. And they are both from Team Acumentics. One is Jeremy Peacock, stand up Jeremy, and the other one is Jonathan Trevelyan. Good job. Well, without much further ado, I would like Team Acumentics to start off. We're a bit ahead of the schedule, that's good. And we'll go through about 8 presentations. We'll have a break, stretch our legs, have some coffee. Hopefully we'll finish off just after noon and head back to the 95 Club for lunch. Thank you very much indeed.